Hey everybody, my name's Josh, welcome to my channel. So today we're up at Julimar State Forest. I'm with my Uncle Dale. Him and I came up here a few years ago and unfortunately I got really badly bogged. I'll try and find some photos and see if I've got any around, but I sunk this thing like you would not believe. I probably just purchased it. I think it was a couple of swings in or a couple of weeks in from owning it, and yeah, it was definitely a good one. I ended up damaging my turbo, and that caused a lot of problems. Let's just put it that way. Quite a fair while down the track. So obviously it's a little bit sketchy in certain spots. Don't know what it's like. It's been a few years now, but I am going to give you a walk around now of what we've done. So we've just been prepping the vehicle for the worst case scenario. I've managed to put on the snatch strap. I'm still running shackles. I need to go to the soft shackles, but I just haven't got around to getting some. But that's in there, ready to go, be attached to Dale's. So this is Uncle Dale. Say hi, everyone. So we're just getting everything ready now. He's also put one on the rear of his as well. Always better to be safe than sorry. So what actually happened last time is I've walked probably about 80% of the track, which was a big water bog hole, and I was just like, yep, sweet as, it's all good. That last 20% dropped, and it was just literally a straight drop all the way down, and I just pretty much sunk and then just couldn't move. The water was up just over the mirror, and yeah, she just filled up. Wasn't very nice. It cost me the turbo later on down the track, like I've said, and also costed me a amp. So I've opted to get the waterproof one now. That was a very costly lesson, but it is what it is. So yeah, so Julimar State Forest, we'll see how this goes. So here you can see me mousing my shackles. This is to prevent the pin from falling out while I'm bouncing around. So I'm using 2 cable ties. These cable ties are for the length. I go around the bow shackle once, and then I end up poking the ends through the pin, and then I pull that tight. I can't remember that being here. Sweet. I'll get down and then I'll give you a buzz. This is one really steep hill. I'm even puffed. Look at that. Can't really tell, but it's a very good angle. Everyone's down now. This track's insane. We've literally just done one thing. Not even, I don't know, a minute, if that. And we're on to the next thing. Look at this. And then boom, straight up the other side. Doesn't do it justice, but she's getting there. Oh, well done, bro, well done. Holy shit. We're out of Julimar State Forest. We've done the full loop. So we've come down this track, as you can see behind me. Come down here, we'll follow it off to the left, and we've gone the full loop all the way around. And we've come back. Now we were going to camp over here, but there's a few uphill climbs that we just didn't want to be too close to the road in that sense. But someone's had an old fire. Probably come grab those later. But so we've just opted to go up the track a little bit. So we've been probably full driving now for about 2 hours. We've got a little fella with us, so he's starting to get hungry. So we've decided to come into camp, and we're starting to set up now. So we'll just come back a little bit, as you can see. So we've found this little spot, pretty nicely tucked away. We're just setting up now. I'm going to start chopping wood while we've got a bit of time. Well, I've got the chainsaw there. And then I'm going to set up the rig. Well, it's a cold morning, so packed up real early. Utes are getting nice and warm now before we end up hitting the track, which is always a good thing to do before you take off. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.